Hey everyone, so I just got an email from BoxyCharm that says that there is a survey, so let's go ahead and check it out. So I'm going to go ahead and hit start. How excited would you be to receive this variation as your box? 1, not excited. 5, very excited. So I do see what appears to be possibly a Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette, a Clinique moisturizer, Kuiper's Beauty, Glam Glow Mud, Kat Von D lipstick, and let's see if I can see what brand that is for the last. Says bestseller, so I'm unsure what that is. Overall, I think that I would probably be about a 4. Not too fond of the Kat Von D. Can't really tell what the last item is. I'm all about some good skincare, and if that's not Natasha Denona, then heck yeah. So next it says, how excited would you be to receive this variation as your box? Number 1, not excited. 5, very excited. I like Murad, Living Color, that just doesn't look up my alley. The Hair Girt, not up my alley. Don't like the gloss. And then it looks like a pharmacy product. So I would say that I'd be like a 2 out of 5 on this one. Limited amount of items that I would enjoy. I like the Murad, but not much else in this variation. How excited would you be to receive this variation as your box? Number 1, not excited. 5, very excited. So I see the Cover FX highlighting drops. I'd like that. The Moroccan, I'd be interested in possibly trying that for my hair. I've tried the First Aid Beauty peel pads. Haven't tried the cream. I think the cream would be too heavy for my skin. Eyeshadow palette is from Iconic London, I believe. Looks like a nice eyeshadow palette. I would wear those. I already have a curling one, so I feel that I would be middle of the road with this one, so I'm going to go ahead and mark that a number 3. Already have a curling wand. I feel I would be middle of the road with a lot of these products. The cream may be too heavy for me. So let's see what's next. How excited would you be? Okay, so I think the eyeshadow palette is from Pure Cosmetics. I really like those purple tones. The yellow scare me a lot. Definitely love the Glow Recipe. I am a fan of Hourglass. QMS I would be curious to try. I've used the cores before, but that's okay. And then the Tarte. So I would give this box a 4 out of 5. I love the Glow Recipe. I'm a fan of Hourglass. This box tends to have a lot of nice products. So here we are on another variation. And this one has a flat iron in it. I already have 2 flat irons, so I don't really need another flat iron. We have the Glow Recipe Facial Mist. Once again, really like that. Hourglass, really like QMS. Definitely would be willing to try it. Cores, Tarte. Once again, I would give this variation a number 4. Don't really need a flat iron, but I do like a lot of the other products in it. Okay, so here we are with another variation. I like that they're showing so many variations. So there is the Pharmacy Very Cherry Clean. I'd be so with trying that. I'd be open-minded to it. The Murad I would absolutely love. Ciate, I can't tell if that is the setting powder. And then the other two products just really wouldn't be for me. So I would give this variation a number 2. Okay, so here we go. They are showing us lots of products. How excited would you be to receive this variation? So once again, the Pharmacy. I can't tell if that is a curling wand, if it is a flat iron, or what that is. Looks like possibly the Ciate setting powder, the hair grit, and the lip gloss. So once again, I would give this one a 2. So it looks like we are getting some good spoilers for the upcoming box. They're showing a lot of products. Once again, I think I'd like the Iconic, but that would probably be too dark for my skin tone. I am on the fair side. Would really like the Murad. Living Color wouldn't suit me, and neither would the other items, so I would probably give this box a 2. So here we go with a 2 again. Just not impressed with the selection being offered. And I really hope that they take this into account and factor things in. Which Too Faced product would you prefer to receive in your box? Rich Dazzling Lip Gloss, Melted Matte Lipstick, or none? I would probably go with the Melted Matte. What are your thoughts on Too Faced products? I'm open-minded when it comes to Too Faced. I would enjoy getting them in my box as they